Okay, friends, today we are going to see the very interesting topic that is, first of all, we are going to see the how login works, then registration, and then how we can protect the routes as well. So, first of all, let's directly go to the login part. As where these parts are actually, above parts is part 5, part 4 are about that, but all things I will cover here because here is all things. Okay, index, first of all, we are seeing that what is register.html. First of all, when users come, he has to register. So, how can it look in the registration form? Like, okay, this is our registration part. And you can control shift R, and when you are going into the application, you are seeing that here nothing is there. So, in the console, I will nothing print. Okay, so now let us first okay, how to register then? This is the registration page. No? So for registration, I am using suppose yes, my email is something. Uh, you can say mm, dr123 and password is uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Actually, this is already registered, so I am changing here for one in one. So this is also one register. Triple M. Okay, this is also a register, no problem. So I think dot com now. I am changing here uh, one capital small d suppose. I am keeping a small d and it will now email already register. I don't think that I have registered this one. Just a minute. Suppose I am taking a row and email suppose this one. DR8 suppose and password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now I am registering here successfully. So what happened when I am registered? Control Shift P, Control Shift R, sorry. Actually, I have registered, so all two and refresh, all things are gone. Okay. So in the application is also not anything is there. Okay. Now suppose I am logging here with this account DRH and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, when I am registered here, you can see that something user and the token is coming from the backend. So how this works actually? What is there in the console? In the console also we can see that there is something printed. What is in the network? Here in the network also we can say the uh, response is okay and yeah, in this way we can say that it is totally workable. So let us check how it is work in the code. So when the registration part, this is totally the front end part. We are not going into the front end deeply, but as such into JS going deeply. Uh, so suppose you can see that we have to first take the get element by ID and then we are add one listener for it. So that I am taking this ID and when I am clicking to submit these functions run. What these functions do is first of all this one. This prevent to reload the browser again and again as such. And I want response I am taking means one variable into that when this line runs what happens when this line runs method is post and type contains application json and also json dot stringify means all this data username email and password in the front end from front end it goes to backend in the stringify because our backend doesn't understand the things as it is We have to convert it into the JSON as well, into stringify. So when this line runs, our code is directly go to the API slash register. So let us again open suppose app.py. So it is coming here in the slash register. Control K, control, uh, okay. Control K, control. Why it is not? Okay, this is register. No? Sorry, we have to see here. This is API register. Control, okay. Control, close bracket. Okay, in the here, okay, that all data coming, we have to store it here only. Which data? This one, all this data means username, email, and password. Method is post and application is all this data. So what we are doing, again it will check that is there any data present. If present, then if not there, then we have to print that no data is provided. Then username, email, and password we are kept in the database. Means we are taking into the flask. Then if no username or nothing or suppose no password, then all fields required. If user.query.filter by, then we are filtered by email to email, first one, and then we are printing email is already registered. And in the new user we are creating, and we are putting this all values into the into our database, into username, email, and password hash. What is this password hash? Password hash is one of function. It is in the auth file, auth where it is coming from here, webzook.security. This is one package for a class from where we are taking the. It converts the normal password into the hash password so that no one can decode it. It is encrypted actually. Then we can add the new user, then commit, and after commit, this message is uh, send to the front end through JSON form. So in the app.py, sorry, in the uh, registration.html, that data comes and that will store here. This one in the JSON format as well. It is actual format is also in the data in the JSON, and here is also stored into the JSON format in the data. So yeah, if all things are okay, um, like uh, it will then print response dot okay, then data dot message that login successfully, or if there is any error, it will print here that email is required, no email present, no user present, and that one. And after if all things going right, then within 1.5 seconds, it will redirect to the login page. So in this way, our registration page works. So now we are going to see the login part. So what happened in the login now? In the login, this is front end. You can see that yeah, this is login page, email, password, and here login button. So this is the front end. So from front end, we are taking. Okay, sorry for disturbance. Okay, now let's um, move in the login. So we have start at let's again start the login. What happened? First of all, this login form ID is taken from the HTML, then add label design. When the submit button is click, this function runs. It saves this data. Then the data comes into um, you can say app.py. App.py then here. What happened? Control K, control close bracket, and here all the data coming here. If there is no data, then this one is created. No data is provided. Okay, then email and password gets. Then user is filtered by email equal to email that first means in the user table. This is a table name user. Control click. This is a user table. So this check in the table whether any email is already present or not. If present, then it is send token. Otherwise, if not user, yeah, yeah, or no verify password. What is verify password? This one. it is comes from Virgin that it checks the password whether it is match or not, and okay, so it will print that invalid credentials. Okay, then token is sent to the token is created. How it is created? It is in the uh, on the py that how it is created. First of all, in the payload, it is taking the user ID and is admin equal to false. In the payload, user ID equal to user ID is admin and expiry token. Token expiry hours are 24. We are defined here. Okay, so this it returns this JW code token contains total three things. One payload, secret key. This one. After in the industry practice, it will store into the .env file, but for now we are put it here only in this file. Okay, and this algorithm. Suppose any hacker knows payload an algorithm, but if he don't know the secret key, then he will not. He will never log in with our system because token creates these three things. Yeah. Okay. After that, it is denoted by dot something dot something. Something means token dot secret key dot algorithm. Okay. And it will also decode the token when it comes into. We will see later only. Okay. So then this data, this comes again into the add that let's back. Okay, this token is created finally, and it returns then justify data token user and this credentials. So this is gone into then the login.html. Okay, the whole data is stored here. Then, if the response is okay, means if the response comes, then it will store it into the local storage. How it is stored, we are already checked that. Uh, I think we have to check it again. Okay, like here, control shift R. Okay, here I am supposed to log in with my ID. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, when I am logging here, you can see in the network something, and then in the console also. Console because we are printing that things. That's why it is coming here. Otherwise, no. Then the main thing we have to see that in the application, these three things comes. This means that our token and user comes clearly here. Okay. So after that, if I am clearing this one, clear, then we directly log out. See when I am refreshing, it means that one permanently from here. And from next time, suppose again I am trying to log in the same. Okay, now again this one comes. Again, suppose I am going back, I am adding something. Um, suppose I am, uh, yeah, I am suppose going into some different place like dashboard to normal only HTML page. Then also I'm still login hello back to Durgesh because uh, what the token does it puts that information into our browser so that when the user again comes back so that he can log in means he can go into any route because we are next we are going to see the protected routes because if the any route is protected and without then we can not go to that we can say that route because that is protected by route token and user. So that's so this is the simple things I think. Okay now. So in this way we can say our whole flow goes and here suppose I am adding something one thing again suppose uh, hi hello and here suppose I print it bye buffalo hi hello bye buffalo So let's run this again. Okay, refresh, go to dashboard. Um, you can see in the okay. 1 minute, I have to refresh this. That value comes here. One token user and just a minute. That value will come here. I don't know why not coming here. Part 6 now. Okay, handle local storage. Control S. No need to do that actually, but I think I have to clear this and again suppose I am logging. Okay, now yeah, here hi hello, my buffalo is coming successfully. So you can say that when we are adding something here, that will go there. For now, I'm putting this comment only. And if this okay, then move to the dash dashboard, slash dashboard, and this is one slash dashboard. Okay, and if there is any problem, then we can give the error to user. So in this way, our flow totally goes. Okay, okay, guys, we have seen that register and login. Further, we will see how the you can say how that our roots are protected. Actually, we will see that in this dashboard copy.py dot html. Okay, so for now, goodbye. I will make separate video for that. Nice to talk with you all.